one small ball is there in the kitchen, and we are pouring the milk in that. And when we pour milk, what happens? More and more milk we are pouring in some bowl, it will overflow. And when you keep on pouring more and more, it will overflow to the whole kitchen, hall, room, it will fill up, right? In the same way, when we are dancing, initially we receive and dance. Next thing is we full and overflow, expand our consciousness to the whole universe. Second level. Third level is oneness happens. In the oneness we dance. The 3 levels are there. Observe that. And feel that in your every step, you might feel that. Okay? So in my step, for example, if you observe this step, you might get the idea. Okay? One step I'm doing while rotating and overflowing and connecting to the universe. You express on your own steps, on your own way of expression.